Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to erase all your data in QuickBooks Online and start fresh. So let's jump right in. First of all, log into your QuickBooks Online account. On the dashboard, go to the gear icon at the top right corner and select Account and Settings. From there, you need to go to the Billings and Subscription tab. Here you'll see your subscription details. Now look for the Cancel Subscription option and follow the prompts to cancel it. Once your subscription is cancelled, your data will be kept for 1 year, but we need a fresh start. To completely erase the data, you have to create a new company file. Go back to the dashboard and click on the gear icon again. Select your company and then create a new company. Follow the steps to establish your new company file. And then there you go. You now have a brand new QuickBooks Online company file with all previous data erased. So that's how you erase all your QuickBooks data and start fresh. If you've liked this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials. See you in next video.